Meaning of ill-tempered.
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 Ill-tempered. Ill-tempered is an adjective used to describe a person who is easily annoyed or angered. When someone is ill-tempered, they may lash out at others verbally or become aggressive. This can lead to strained relationships and conflicts with those around them. Ill-tempered individuals may struggle to control their emotions and may find it difficult to maintain stable personal or professional lives. It is important for individuals who are ill-tempered to seek help in managing their emotions, such as through therapy or anger management techniques, to avoid negative impacts on their life and relationships.